Hello everyone, this is Rahul here again. First of all, I want to welcome you back to my channel and thank you all so much for all the love and support that you've given to my previous video. It has more than 10,000 views, which is really amazing and it's a really lovely response. Thank you. I did get a lot of feedbacks that the video was very helpful and it's been it talks a lot about real life scenarios and it's really helped people a lot in that. So I am very happy that it helped you. Thank you so much once again. And I got a lot of requests saying that if I could do something for CTSIB, which is clinical testing of sensory integration of balance, and which is where you test between the vision, somatosensory, and vestibular system of what is affecting, which causes loss of balance. So I this video is going to be on CTSIB, and this video, more than a mnemonic or kind of tips, it's more of like an explanation, a easy way to remember how to do CTSIB. And this is something that I always practiced, and I think I never missed a question after that. It's more of understanding of what is the scenario or how to dissect the question, and that is something I'm going to give you in this video. And there's going to be a lot of understanding, and this video is going to be a little different. I'm not going to be using a whiteboard anymore. It's going to be on a recording of Zoom. So let's go ahead to it. So let's get started. And I would suggest everyone, if they want to make a sheet, prepare themselves while going through the video, because that's what I would do. So I have a screen here. It is blank because it's the worksheet. So I'm going to create a way of making this easier for you. So how I'm going to do that is, now there are three components that are a part in CTSIB. First is vision, then we have the somatosensory and the vestibular. So now I am going to use different terminologies for them. What do I mean by terminologies is I'm going to give them names. So for vision, I'm going to make it as PTA license. So now right? Now people will start connecting. Somatosensory will be the PT license, and vestibular will be money, right? That's about what we need. So I'm going to take this here. So, and there are certain questions that you have to decide and now start asking to understand. So the first question is, what do I have? The second question is going to be, what am I missing? The third question is, am I happy? And as humans, we are never happy. So there's going to be a constant answer of no. Fourth question is, what am I dependent on for happiness? The fifth is, what is impaired? Okay, so now let's use CTSIB condition 4 for this. So now, like we said, vision is your PTA license. So CTSIB 4 is eyes open, moving surface. So what do I have? Do I have my vision because my eyes are open? Yes, I do have a PTA license. What am I missing? On a moving surface, you will not have the somatosensory. So I'm missing my PT license. So what do I have? I have my vision again. And what am I missing? I'm missing my somatosensory. Am I happy? No. What is going to give me happiness? The answer is clear, right? So you're dependent on your somatosensory. And what is impaired? Your vision is impaired. So this is for CTSIB4. So that's how, it's pretty simple. You give them names if you want to, or you can just say vision, somatosensory, and vestibular. But when the question scenario comes and you need to analyze of what do I have, if it is if the eyes are open, if there is no visual conflict, then you will have your vision present. But if you're on a moving surface, your somatosensory is going to be absent. So you don't have a PTA license. And what do I mean by am I happy? No, means am I stable or am I losing balance? So I am losing balance. So am I balanced? No. What am I dependent on for happiness, or what is the system dependent on to maintain balance is going to be the somatosensory. And which system are you testing? You're testing for vision, and if you cannot hold balance, that means vision is affected. I hope that, and this is just for CTSIB4. So if that clears your doubt, or if that gives you a good process to think, I will go on further with the other slides. So now with CTSIB condition 1, we will use the same thing, vision as PTA license, somatosensory as PT license, and vestibular as money. So what do I have in condition 1? There is eyes open and stable surface. So you will have your vision, you will have your somatosensory, and let's assume you always have money. We were born rich. So what am I missing? You're missing nothing. But are you able to stay on balance? No. That means which system is not working or which system is impaired? Everything is impaired. Your vision, your somatosensory, and your vestibular. All three are affected. What am I dependent on is the question. Vision, somatosensory, and vestibular? Maybe. But I would rather say in this condition, I purposely wrote it so that I could strike it out in front of you guys, is you cannot be dependent on them. They're already affected. So maybe there is something else that you completely need to do, right? But the questions will follow the same scenario. That's why. Now going to condition 2. Now condition 2, eyes closed, stable surface. So what do I have? I have my PT license, which is the somatosensory, because it is a stable surface. What am I missing? I am missing the PTA license, which is vision. So something that I don't have is something I will depend on for my happiness. So you can always correlate of whatever you are missing is something that you will be dependent on when you cannot balance with something that you already have. So I have my somatosensory system, but I cannot balance. That means my somatosensory is affected. What am I missing? I am missing my vision. So if I cannot balance on somatosensory, that means I am dependent on my vision. Hope that makes things more clear. Now going to condition 3, it's similar. Just the difference is that over here, instead of eyes closed, you will have a visual conflict. So usually there is dome or something that is disturbing your vision, that so that it cannot contribute to your balance. So it is as good as not being present. Same questions. What do I have? Because you're on a stable surface, you have your somatosensory. What are you missing? You're missing vision. So you will be dependent on vision. And what you're testing does not give you balance. So your somatosensory is going to be affected. Now CTSIB4, which we already did. Over here, you have your PTA license. You have your eyes open, so your vision is present. But since you're on a moving surface, your somatosensory is going to be affected. You're going to be missing your somatosensory input. And what you're missing is something that you're going to be dependent on. So you're going to be dependent on somatosensory, and you have vision which is not working. That means vision is impaired. Now coming to condition 5, like I said, we always have money, but in the previous conditions, why we don't include vestibular is maybe that comes in later on. So the first thing that you're going to be dependent on is going to be your vision and somatosensory. Now, in the fifth condition, you have eyes closed and moving surface. So eyes closed and moving surface, that means you are missing both your vision and your somatosensory. So in this condition, you are going to be testing your vestibular system. If you lose balance, that means your vestibular system is impaired. And what are you dependent on? Your vision and somatosensory. Condition 6, like 2 and 3 are very similar, 5 and 6 are also very similar. The only difference over here is the same thing, that your eyes are in a conflict. You have a visual conflict. Your eyes are busy and something else that they cannot contribute to your balance. So over here, similarly, you will be impaired on vestibular when you cannot hold balance, and you will be dependent on vision and somatosensory. Now, just a summary of everything that we discussed, that you will be dependent on your vision in 2, 3, 5, and 6. In conditions 2, 3, 5, and 6, you either have your eyes closed or you have a visual conflict, which means your somatosensory is going to be absent. So in these 2, 3, 5, 6, you're going to be dependent on your vision. Conditions 4, 5, 6 have a moving surface. So your somatosensory is going to be absent. So in these conditions, you will be dependent on your somatosensory system. And in 5 and 6, what is at loss or what is not working is going to be your vestibular, because you don't have vision, you don't have somatosensory. So now you are testing for vestibular, and if you lose balance, that means your vestibular system is affected. So that is how I have always studied for CTSIB, and I hope this helps you all. I would really want to thank you all once again for watching this, and please leave in your comments, your feedbacks. I would be really happy, and thank you so much for all the love and support that you've been giving. Keep giving in your inputs and let me know the further topics. Like, you inform me that CTSIB was a thing, so I could do something. So if you keep telling me what topics you want the further videos on, I'll be happy to trying to make things easier for you. Thank you so much.